Dresden, Germany, weighing in at 245 pounds, Alexander Wolfe.
Intense as they come. Alexander Wolfe and his running buddy is known as Sanity have created quite the aura of intimidation.
Let's call them what they are, Saxon. They're a gaggle of insane maniacs. In my personal opinion, he's a great dancer.
Oh, that's why it's your personal opinion.
Makes you want to get up and move.
I'd love to see you in a mosh pit, Byron. I wouldn't want to see me in a mosh pit.
Shake something, Saxton.
Now look at this. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, the referee needs to get control of this. Yeah, that didn't take long. Inside the ring now. What a stomp! Good grief! Oh, nasty impact. The running Meteora. I'll tell you, watching Extreme Rules matches make me happy. My in-ring days are behind me. You talk about a treacherous environment to compete in. He's starting to stagger a bit. I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives. This is a treacherous match indeed, as Corey was saying. I can't even tell you how many times we've seen Extreme Rules matches result in broken bones, stitches, and even trips to a medical facility. Yeah, but despite all those inherent dangers, these superstars still willingly sign up for Extreme Rules matches. That's what amazes me the most. Nailed it. You gotta believe this one's over. Incredible. There was a lot of force behind that one. Incredible. There was a lot of force behind that one. There it is. Did you hear that crack? Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's out there in no man's land. He's got to find a way to get to safety, Cole. I'm not sure he can. Too quick for him there. This could be it. Ooh! That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys. Let's look at the replay. Nice move right there. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win.
Oh man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
He's calling for it.
He can't take much more.
Another amazing singles contest. These two never cease to entertain the WWE Universe.
Look at this! And Alexander Wolfe slips out of harm's way.
Avoids trouble there.
Look out!
Real quick reminder, guys, there are no disqualifications and no countouts in this one. Anything is legal. Oh, and there are enough weapons under the ring to fill an armory.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that
one. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
As Corey mentioned, there's a treasure trove of weapons under the ring. Everything from Kendo-Sticks to steel chairs to fire extinguishers. If you can think about it, it's probably under there.
And when that's the case, it's not a matter of if you're going to get hurt, it's a matter of how badly you're going to get hurt.
Irish whip. Big move coming.
Wait for it. Oh boy, he is rolling. Uh-oh.
Oh, what incredible power!
Wow, what a vertical suplex.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue, but he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
Hey, you're going to absorb some punishment in a wrestling match. It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that. I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
Beautiful technique.
You gotta believe this one's over.
I gotta say, watching this match, I'm definitely seeing similarities to the May 2016 Extreme Rules match, where Roman Reigns defended his WWE World Heavyweight Championship against AJ Styles.
He's too quick for him there.
Alexander Wolfe about to put an end to things.
Oh, Death Valley driver. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
When it comes to brutality, I would agree. Alexander Wolfe. Sit out powerbomb.
Can he finish him off here? But now, can Wolfe capitalize?
And a pin attempt. One easily kicks out of that one. Remarkable.
Got a little...
The slam! But he's got to capitalize now. Oh, man, Alexander Wolfe is in trouble now.
Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. There doesn't appear to be too much movement on the outside, guys. We might just be looking at the winner of this ladder match.
Oh, look at the squeeze. It's on like a vice grip.
Oh, that just looks nasty.
There it is. It's locked in.
Smart maneuver.
Unless we start seeing some whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Talk about having the living hell beat out of you. Tonight may not be his night, guys.
I think this one's over.
Clearly, they're both running on fumes right now. And at this point, it might just be a matter of which superstar's tank reaches empty first.
Up against the barrier now.
I think that barrier might be the only thing holding him up.
I think you're right.
Just a step quicker, it looks like.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, and he reverses it.
Alexander Wolfe about to put an end to things.
Oh, Death Valley. That might have done it, Cole.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure our table just shook a bit.
Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Ooh, right to the face.
But can he follow up here?
Here's a cover. Could be it. 2. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Still in it.
What a gutsy performance.
Going for this might be it.
Oh my, that has got to be it.
He may get the 3 count right there. 2, 3. The pinfall and the victory. And here's another look at what made that match so special.
That's what I love about the WWE. A match that lives up to expectations, but still finds a way to surprise us. Good stuff. He's going to want to make sure he saves every minute of this match for his personal highlight reel, because
Here is
he
your
was on
winner
fire in this one.
by gentlemen.
And there's your winner via pinfall.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
And as we expected, WWE Extreme Rules has been a brutal evening.